everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix Google Play Store that can't be opened on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if Google Play Store on your cell phone suddenly won't open and every time you open it, it says that Google keeps stopping, don't need to be worried guys, because you can fix it easily. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do, now you can long press on the Google Play Store icon till pop out the menu, and then you can click apps info, and after that now you can scroll down a little bit and go to storage. So now you can clean the cache and data so that all the troubles in the Google Play Store apps will be deleted, and now you can try to open Google Play Store anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys, bye bye.